Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. I just got back from Goodwill and I found this baggie of crafty goodness, and I thought I would take you along and show you what's inside. So this was the price tag that was on there, but the scan code was missing, so he ended up just scanning something else that I had that was $3.29. So it was $3.29 plus I had my daughter with me, and they gave her a student discount, and that was an additional 25% off. So just a couple of dollars, and let's see what is inside. It's like a big bag of goodness. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry, I was out of frame there. So we have Pearl Ultra Fine. Look at how pretty that is. That is Stargazer. I don't know what this is, if it's a powder or a glitter. And these are sealed. I'll have to Google that name and see if it's embossing powder or glitter. Snapdragon. Here's another one of those powders. This is more of the shimmer glitter and silver. The translucent. Sorry, I keep thinking the camera's somewhere else there. Oh, it's one of them's open. Alrighty, let's see. This is Passion. Very curious if these are embossing powders or some kind of mixed media paints. But I will look it up as soon as I'm done with this video. This is Cobalt. Oh, this one definitely looks like it's open. Douglas Fir. See if there's any other paint ones. All right, we have some glitter there. I'm gonna get a wipe, and yeah, not sure what it is, but look at what it's doing with just the baby wipe. Making a big old mess. And it's definitely staining. Okay, let's see what else is in this bag of goodness. So we have a punch of a puppy feet. Cute. And a star. Oh, a little doggy bone. This is good to make confetti mixes. And a swirl. A little flower. Butterfly. A sunburst. I think I have some of these little ones. Circle punch. This little star. A little heart. A music note. And then we have some, looks like some of this glitter with fleck in it. And something definitely leaked in this bag because it's getting worse, but this looks like mini spoons. I'm gonna have to cut it open and investigate. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at how little that is. That is so cute. There's a whole pack of those. Look at my hands, getting worse by the second. Yes, let's see. Not sure what that is. We have some glitter tubes. And let's see. I think what I'm going to do is dump out the rest of this goodness, because this bag is full of that shimmer stuff. And let's see what we have. We have clips. It looks like some big brads, some bottle tops. I see some eyelets and a bunch of other snap type things. Very fun. So, oh yeah, well guys, this was my haul. Pretty good for under $3. Loving those little spoons. All those punches and whatever these are, glitter paints or embossing powders. I will find out. All right guys, thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day.